Welcome back our Tips and Tricks series. Today we are going to demonstrate how to use a saved search formula in NetSuite to generate a previous month report. Whether you're a business owner, analyst, or accountant, this feature empowers you with valuable insights to make informed decisions. Join us as we guide you through each step. Save time and effort by automating data retrieval. Easily access previous month reports with a simple formula. Customize your search criteria to fit your specific needs. Streamline your reporting process for enhanced efficiency. Gain valuable insights and make data-driven decisions. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of pulling data on the total sales amount per customer for the past month using a saved search formula. Stay tuned as we walk you through the essential steps of creating inventory items in NetSuite to enhance your business efficiency. First, to create a saved search, navigate to Lists. Search, Saved Search, New. In the New Saved Search tab, select Transaction to create a transaction search. Next, on the Saved Transaction Search page, enter the search title as Total Sales Amount per Customer for the past month. In the Criteria section, choose the filter. Select Type and choose any of Cash Refund, Cash Sale, Credit Memo, and Invoice, as we can calculate customer sales based on these transaction types. Click Set. Set Mainline to False to include line items also. Check the Public checkbox and the Available as List View checkbox. Next, in the Results subtab, first remove the existing fields by clicking the Remove All button. Next, select the Name field. Set the summary to Group and assign a custom label Customer to display it in the results. Select Formula Currency. Under Group, click Sum. In the Formula tab, enter the formula in the designated field. Use Case When, then select the Date field between Add Months Today, 1, which subtracts 1 month from the current date today, and Last Day Add Months Today, 0, effectively representing the current month today with 0 months subtracted. Then include Then Amount, which signifies that if the condition is true, the formula will return the value of the Arshik amount field. Include Else 0. If the condition is false, the formula will return 0. Click Set. We are using the summary formula. For this, we need to provide a label name in the summary label. Let's designate the label as Last Month Sales Amount. Now save and run the search. In the result, we can see all the customers' names and their sales amounts from last month. For the customer 19 Jester Inc., their total sales amount from last month is 5,977.08, and for the customer 1 Hooli, they have 0 amount. Similarly, we can observe the total sales amount per customer in this search using the formula. Congratulations! You've successfully created a saved search formula to get the previous month report in NetSuite. Use this feature to track trends, monitor performance, and make data-driven decisions for your business. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us through email, call us at, or visit our website to connect with our chatbot. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on maximizing NetSuite's capabilities. Thank you for watching.